Are you wondering which photo editing software is best for you? Today, we'll compare Affinity Photo, Lightroom, and Darktable. All three tools help you edit and enhance your photos. They each have unique features that appeal to different users. Let's start with Affinity Photo. This software is known for its powerful editing capabilities. It offers advanced tools for retouching and compositing images. Users love its one time payment model. There are no subscriptions, making it budget friendly for many. Now, let's move on to Lightroom. It's popular among photographers for its organization features. You can easily manage your photo library and apply edits quickly. Lightroom also offers cloud storage, so you can access your work from anywhere. However, it does require a monthly subscription, which some users might not like. Next, we have Darktable. This is a free open source software. It's great for those who want a powerful tool without spending money. Darktable has many features similar to Lightroom, like managing your photo library and applying non destructive edits. However, its interface can be a bit challenging for beginners. Now, let's look at the key differences. Affinity Photo is great for detailed editing, while Lightroom excels at organization. Darktable is perfect for those on a budget but may need a learning curve. When it comes to features, Affinity offers advanced tools for complex edits. Lightroom shines in photo management and sharing. Darktable provides many editing options but lacks some user friendly features. In terms of pricing, Affinity Photo is a one time purchase. Lightroom has a subscription model and Darktable is free. So, which one should you choose? If you want in depth editing, go for Affinity Photo. If you need organization and cloud features, Lightroom is your best bet. And for those on a budget, Darktable is a solid choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.